Welcome back everyone. As we have learned Big Friend Subtraction concept, today we are going to solve 2 and 3 digit sums. Now before we start, let us have a quick recap. First one, 6 plus 4 less 3. 6 plus 4. Plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. Now less 3. The formula for less 3 is less 10 plus 7. My answer is 7. Next, 72 less 8 less 5. 72 less 8 is less 10 plus 2. Less 5. Direct subtraction not possible. So we use the formula. That is less 10 plus 5. My answer is 59. Next one. 20 less 7 less 4. 20. Less 7 is less 10 plus 3. Less 4 is less 10 plus 6. My answer is 9. Next one. 36 less 6 less 6. 36 less 6. It is direct subtraction. Again less 6. So now we use the formula. Less 10 plus 4. My answer is 24. Now let us solve some more sum based on 2 and 3 digit numbers. Now let us solve some more sums based on Big Friend Subtraction formula. And remember, to solve these type of sums, you should have some basic knowledge of Big Friend's concepts and its formula. If you haven't watched my previous video on Big Friend Subtraction, check the link in my description box. Let us begin. 82 less 53. Now 82. Remember, we are starting from the tens rod. 82 less 53. Now less 5. Over here in the tens rod, I have to do less 50. So less 50. Now I have to do less 3. How will I do less 3? Direct subtraction is not possible. So I will use the formula. That is less 10 plus 7. My answer is 29. Next one. 80 less 14. 80 less 14. Again in the tens house, how many beads will I less? I need to less 1 bead. That is 1 here. Now less 4. Again direct subtraction is not possible. So I will use the formula. That is less 4 is less 10 plus 6. My answer is 66. Next one. 76 less 17. 76 less 17. Now in the tens rod, how many bead I need to less? Only 1 bead. Now 7. Can I do direct subtraction? No. So I have to use the formula. For less 7 it is less 10 plus 3. My answer is 59. Now over here we have 3 digit number. So 979. So I start from the third rod. This is 1, 2 and 3. Third rod. So 979. Less 77. Now this is a very common mistake students make. 77 means from the tens rod I have to start. Okay, but some children, they will start from the hundreds rod. And this is what they do, which is wrong. Alright, let's start again. So 979 less 77. So less 7 from the tens rod. So less 7 and again less 7. My answer is 9. There is no bead here. So 0. And over here 2. So my answer is 9, 0, 2. Okay, next 767. 767 less 508. Now less 5. Again, we start from where? The hundreds rod. So 500, 0 here. Means nothing in the tens house. Now 8. In the ones rod, can you see this? 8. Can I do less 8 directly? No, I only have 7 beads here. So I cannot do direct subtraction. So I have to use the formula. For less 8 it is less 10 plus 2. So my answer is 259. 259. Next, 870. 870. Nothing here. 718. 700. Over here I need to start from the hundreds rod. So 700. Over here less. Can I do directly? Yes. 700. Over here how many beads will I less? 1. Over here 8. So direct subtraction we cannot do. So I have to use the formula. That is less 10 plus 2. My answer is 152. 152. Next, 675. 675 less 16. Again, be careful from where we are going to start. 16 from the tens rod. That is less 1 rod. That is less 10 and less 6. How will I do less 6? If you cannot do direct subtraction, only then you have to use the formula. So for less 6 it is less 10 plus 4. So my answer is 659. 659. Next, 678. 678 less 569. Again less 500. So less 5 less 6. That is direct subtraction 9. Again I cannot do 9 directly. So I have to use the formula. So less 10 plus 1. My answer is 109. Next, 375 less 17. 375 less 17. Again I start from the tens rod. That is, how many bead will I less? 1 bead. And less 7. That is, direct subtraction I can't do. So less 10 plus 3. My answer is 358. Okay, the last one. 875. 875 less 566. So less 500. How will I do? Direct subtraction less 5. Now less 6. Again direct subtraction. Less 6. How will I do less 6? The formula. That is less 10 plus 4. So my answer is 309. Today we have solved these sums based on 2 and 3 digit numbers using Big Friend Subtraction formula. Practice these type of sums every day to improve your speed and accuracy. If you have learned something new today, please like and share, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next Abacus lesson. Till then, stay in touch, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.